Also, this is a study that came out of Portugal. We know that there's a link between depression and non-suicidal self-injury, cutting, for example. But again, for those teens who have high self-compassion, there's a weaker link. So they're less likely to engage in non-suicidal self-injury. So this is was a large study in Australia, over 2,000 teens, and what we see is that we know that low self-esteem is correlated with negative psychological outcomes or poorer mental health. But for those teens who had higher self-compassion, again, a year later, they saw no changes in mental health, whereas for those teens who had low self-esteem and low self-compassion, they had worse mental health a year later, okay? And this were teens in grade 9 and then teens in grade 10, so they assessed them at those two different points a year apart.